It's January 31st, which means it's Language Nursery's birthday. Well, we're not going to be... Well, today, we're just going to be doing January toy review because tomorrow is Baby Mozart's birthday. And I want to have everything look right for Baby Mozart's birthday. So, first thing I got is this wheel timer. Now, I bought it off the Toy Balloon. That Toy Balloon website, you know. So that I could finally stick it to this, you know, the zigzag one. And now they look good together, don't they? So I keyed this one to make it look purple like the one in Baby Mozart. So yeah. So, but this I got in Christmas 2018. I super glued them once, but I realized after watching the tornado scene of Baby Mozart, which is one of my favorite scenes, this was turned the wrong way. So I'm gonna super glue them again. I mean, hot glue them again. Okay. So these things I made, and I made them for the purpose of having them on my metronome right there. So let's get them on. Let's start with the crab. Then let's do the sea lion. There. Finally, let's do the octopus. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Goodbye.